We've been working around the clock to bring you innovative products. Today, we'd like to take you on a ride to immerse yourself in the realm of IP cameras. The SDI IPC series cameras harness the power of full VSCA over IP across any network. Now we can say farewell to the old school serial VSCA. Now let's go take a look at the new SDI IPC series cameras. Here they are. They might look familiar, and they are familiar. Here we have the HD 3G IPC IP67, the HD 3G IPC TF, the HD 3G IPC Mini, and the HD 3G IPC 100A. Now moving on to the specs, they all have a 1/2.8 progressive CMOS sensor. The cameras are capable of capturing full HD at 1080p, up to 60 frames per second. You have a 3G SDI output, and remember, these cameras now support IP control, so you can say farewell to the old school serial VSCA. Now remember, you got to go to the Microsoft App Store and download the AIDA app. This is going to give you full control of your camera using your local network. So now you can harness the power of VSCA over IP. Now here we have two IP67 rated cameras, the HD 3G IPC Mini and the HD 3G IPC IP67. These cameras are great and ideal for outdoor recording. Now, because these cameras are IP67 rated, you can take them underwater up to 3 meters for approximately 30 minutes. So it makes it ideal for, capturing cool shots underwater. They're weatherproof, so you can get the shot and you can get creative. Now, this camera right here is IP54 rated. You can't take it underwater, but it is weather resistant. Now, this camera is really cool. Now, it's got a telephoto lens, so it goes anywhere from about 5 millimeters to 50 millimeters. This camera does come with this tool, which is really cool. You can use it to lock and unlock your lens. So you can zoom in, zoom out, place it where you want it, lock it in place, and you can go and focus your shot so that you're ready to go. Now, all the cameras have this breakout cable, so you get the RJ45 port, the 3G SDI output, you get the 12-volt DC input, you get the TRS input, and the 485 connector. You also have a joystick down below the connectors to navigate through the camera. Now remember, all these cameras support POV Plus as long as you use the dongle that comes included with the cameras. Here we have the HD 3G IPC 100A. This camera might look familiar, and it is familiar. It's just a 100A with the IPC upgrade. Here's a multi-pin I/O breakout cable. So what you want to do is you want to plug it in. And this right here is going to give you your joystick, and you're also going to get the connectors, which is everything from your audio input, your power input, and your RS485. Now here's a cool idea. You can place it next to the net or maybe behind the net and get a cool close-up shot. Maybe a top view looking down so you can get the action. Now we leave it up to you. Like we like to say, get the shot and get creative. Now let's check out some of the sample footage. Here we have the Lunar Frog. This is the HD 3G IPC 100A. Here we have the HD 3G IPC Mini. Get an idea. Moving on to the HD 3G IPC IP67. And this is my favorite, the HD 3G IPC TF. Check it out. This is zoomed out at 0%, 50%, and 100%. Pretty cool, huh? Well, there you have it, guys. We checked out the SDI IPC series cameras. Now, remember, for more information, you can visit us at aidaimaging.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media. And until next time, guys, peace.